Hi, my name is Ozias. I'm from a second generation of master plumbers. I was told, learn a trade and you always have a job. That was true then, and for me, it's still true today. I applied for and was accepted in a 5-year building trades union apprenticeship program many years ago. Plumbing has helped me build a working knowledge of the industry. This knowledge I now use working as a plumber teacher and instructor. Over the years, these are some of the questions that I'm often asked from young men and women who are interested in seeking a high-skilled and high-paying job in one of the traditional industries such as construction, industrial, or manufacturing apprenticeship programs. What are the requirements? Where can I find the program information? Where can I find the different types of apprenticeships? Today, with advancing technologies and innovation in apprenticeship training, you can be provided with the advanced skill sets to compete in a 21st century global economy that will meet the specific needs of employers in these industries. In these industries, the fastest growing jobs increasingly require advanced education and training. Some community colleges that have articulation agreements with registered apprenticeship sponsors can provide you with the opportunity to earn college credits or even complete a 2-year degree. What is a pre-apprenticeship? Pre-apprenticeship services and programs are designed to prepare individuals to enter and succeed in registered apprenticeship programs. These programs have a documented partnership with at least one registered apprenticeship program sponsor, and together they expand the participants' career pathway opportunities with industry-based training coupled with classroom instructions. What are the benefits? Pre-apprenticeship training is a great way for participants to explore and learn about exciting careers, qualify to meet the minimum standards for selection to a registered apprenticeship program, benefits from classroom and technology-based training, get a start on career-specific training with viable career pathway opportunities, build math, English, and work readiness skills that employers desire, learn how to advance into a registered apprenticeship program. What is an apprenticeship? Apprenticeship is a combination of on-the-job training and related classroom instructions under the supervision of a journeyman level craftsperson or a trade professional, in which workers learn the practical and theoretical aspects of a highly skilled occupation. The classroom training and instructions focus on fine-tuning all these skills. Nothing can replace the experience you get in the field. Apprenticeship programs are sponsored by joint employers and labor groups, individual employers, and/or employer associations. The apprenticeship program will teach you the important aspects of becoming specialized in a trade. When you finish your apprenticeship training, you'll be well prepared to take the journeyman's certification exam. People interested in this work are individuals that like working with practical, hands-on problems with solutions. They do well at jobs that need dependability, attention to detail, cooperation, integrity, achievement and effort, and leadership. Program requirements. Each apprenticeship has different eligibility and admission requirements. Generally, to be eligible, you must be at least age 18 and able to perform the work of the trade. You will be required to present verification of a high school diploma or GED certificate. You may also be required to demonstrate the ability to read, write, and speak English in order to comprehend instructions in related training classes and ensure safety on the job. Additional program requirements. Take and pass a drug test, personal interview, qualifying score on an aptitude test, a social security card. Additional program information. Apprenticeship is designed to move an apprentice from a low or no skill entry level position to a full occupational proficiency. A registered apprenticeship program is sponsored by individual businesses or an employer association and may be partnered with a labor organization through a collective bargain agreement. Upon finishing the training program, an apprentice earns a completion of registered apprenticeship certificate. This is a nationally recognized industry issue credential that validates proficiency in their occupation. Here's a list of some examples of apprenticeship programs: air conditioning and refrigeration, bricklayer, boilermaker, carpenter, cement masons, communications technicians, culinary and pastry, drywall and lathing, electrician, floor cover, glazer, heat and frost insulator, ironworker in the field, ironworker in the shop, a machinist, operating engineer, painter, plasterer, plumber, roofers and waterproofers, sheet metal, sprinkler, stationary engineers, steam fitters, tile finishers. Some questions to ponder. If your chosen trade requires you to work outdoors, regardless of the weather conditions, would that be a problem for you? Will the type of work you'll be doing hold your interest day in and day out? Does the idea of it excite you? You need to be motivated by more than just a paycheck to stick with an apprenticeship. So pick something you really like doing. Is the work year-round or seasonal? Do you enjoy solving problems using math and logic skills? Decide whether you can work under the required job conditions, some of which may be hazardous, dirty, uncomfortable, or otherwise unpleasant. Find out if you meet the minimum qualifications for the job. How to find the locations in your state or local county. Your first step, use the U.S. Department of Labor apprenticeship sponsored database to find apprenticeships and pre-apprenticeship training programs in your state and local county. You go to dol.gov. The pre-apprenticeship and apprenticeship training are available for veterans using their GI benefits. Veterans can contact the U.S. Department of Affairs. You go to va.gov. United Service Military Apprenticeship Program is a formal military training program executed by the Center for Personal and Professional Development that provides active duty Coast Guard, Marine Corps, and Navy service members the opportunity to improve their job skills and to complete their civilian apprenticeship requirements while they are on active duty. The U.S. Department of Labor provides the national recognized certificate of completion upon program completion. And for information, you visit the website. Right there, you see it listed at the bottom of the presentation. Your next step is to use the National Union's apprenticeship sponsored database to find apprenticeship training programs in your state and local county. Some examples of national unions and their websites: the United Association of Journeymen and Apprentices of the Plumbing and Pipe Fitting Industry of the United States and Canada, or the UA. Trades in the UA, they have HVAC service technicians, they have plumbers, steam fitters, welders, and their apprenticeship program is a 5-year program. And for more information, you go to ua.org. Next, you have the United Brotherhood of Carpenters and Joiners of America. UBC represents one trade with many crafts. They have general carpenters, millwrights, interior systems carpenters, framing and residential carpenters, pile drivers, lathers, mill workers, and cabinet makers. They have a 4-year apprenticeship program. You can obtain more information from their website. Next, you have the United National Fire Sprinkler Association. What is a sprinkler fitter? The responsibilities and work of the sprinkler fitter consists of the knowledge and ability to install all types of fire protection systems, including the layout and installation of underground fire mains. A sprinkler fitter is able to read blueprints and lay out and install hangers and overhead piping in all types of buildings and all types of construction. Fire sprinklers are found in high-rises, warehouses, aircrafts, hangars, hotels, motels, and homes. Sprinkler Apprenticeship. The apprenticeship program is a 5-year program. Apprentices must work a total of 8,000 hours in 5 years to reach journey level status. Apprentices are required to attend related instructions classes a minimum of 144 hours per year at the JAC training. And for more information, you see their website listed nfsa.org. Next, we have the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers. The International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, IBEW, is comprised of proud union members with a wide diversity of skills and jobs. One of the most progressive unions in existence, the IBEW represents some 750,000 members in the United States and Canada, and their apprenticeship program is 4 years, and their website is ibew.org. And look at the list of the type of jobs they have: alarm and signal, atomic research service, bridge operators, cable splicers, cable television, communications, crane men, electrical inspectors, electrical equipment service, electrical manufacturing, electric signs, electric technicians, fixture manufacturing, government, inside construction, instrument technicians, line clearance, tree trimming, maintenance operations, manufacturing office workers, marine, motion picture studios, nuclear service technicians, outside construction, powerhouse, professional engineers and technicians, professional technical and clerical, railroad, radio, television broadcasting, radio, television manufacturing, radio, television service, service occupations, shopmen, sign erectors, sound and public address, sound technicians, telephone, utility office workers, warehouse and supply. Next, we have the International Union of Operating Engineers. Members of the IUOE in the United States and Canada work in two broad job classifications. Operating engineers work in industries such as highways and building construction, mining and logging, pipeline construction, and utility work such as water and sewer excavation, and stationary engineers who operate, maintain, renovate, and repair all mechanical systems within a given facility. Stationary engineers are employed in schools, hospitals, hotels, apartment buildings, airports, power plants, industrial plants, office buildings, government facilities, and other workplaces. Operating engineers work outdoors, any kind of weather, under rough and sometimes hazardous conditions. Apprenticeship, 4 years on the job training, a minimum accumulation of 4,000 hours on the job training, 5 to 7 weeks each year, classroom and training site time. Apprentices will be paid at the negotiated apprenticeship rate for on the job training based on the class of machine being operated. And their website is iuoe.org. And last, we have sheet metal, air, rail, and transportation workers. SMART, the International Association of Sheet Metal, Air, Rail, and Transportation Workers, is one of North America's most dynamic and diverse unions with 216,000 members. SMART's members produce and provide the vital services that move products to market, passengers to their destinations, and ensure the quality of the air we breathe. They are sheet metal workers, service technicians, bus operators, engineer conductors, sign workers, welders, production employees, and more. SMART has approximately 700 local unions and councils in the United States, Canada, and Puerto Rico. They have a 4-year apprenticeship program, and you see their website is smart-union.org. The type of jobs they have: HVAC installation, metal roofing, Amtrak, freight rail, commuter rail, sign production and installation, testing and balancing, service technicians, aviation, architecture, kitchen equipment, production and manufacturing, welding, bus operations, shipyards, CAD drafting, indoor air quality, building information and modeling, power plant work and maintenance, fire life and safety. Now that you have the information, it's up to you to get out there and make it happen. All state and local county database, regional training centers, and contact information are posted on each of the sponsors' website listed in this presentation. Thank you for taking time to review this presentation.